Hi guys, so today I want to clean the kitchen with you guys so that afterwards I can do like a kitchen tour, tell you the gadgets that I have that I like, and also a follow up video. I'll be reviewing my new cooker because now at least I've got a hang of things. So yeah, this is an introduction to that. Also, kindly give a thumbs up, like press on it and subscribe so that I can be able to make new videos. It's like a proper motivation from you guys. Thank you, and don't shy away from commenting. I love you. So this is the messy kitchen, as you can see. So we're gonna fix this. So, welcome guys to me cleaning my kitchen. As you can see, it was very disorganized, to be very honest. I haven't been the one doing the cleaning lately, but it has been Raymond. Well, we do it like half and half. He cleans in the morning, like our breakfast, cups, and a few plates, and then I wash or I clean the utensils you know while I cook, so there's no much utensils left. So here I started with cleaning the countertops. I was using that spray bottle. It has water and dish soap. You see the dish soap that is by the tap. I put a little bit in there, and so I use it to clean my countertops. I clean with it my coffee table, my dining table. I also use it for my microwave because yeah, you want to disinfect with that, but you can put also like Jik or Dettol in there, just as like a step higher. So I just use water and soap dish, uh, dish soap. Yes, that one. So here I was finishing up on I was just trying to remove the clean utensils. Just finished up clean wiping up the counters. So you have to dry your utensils as usual and put them in your tiny cupboard. Let me tell you something. If there's one thing I don't like about my kitchen, is how small it is. Like, I have a lot of things, not necessarily a lot because I've given out a lot at this point. I've given out like 3/4 of my utensils, but the other quarter remaining is still a lot. Also, as ladies, like if you see something cute, you buy. Now, I cannot buy anymore because I don't have space to put even the new ones. You understand? So now, when I buy something, I have to give out something. It's like something in, something has to go out because there's no space. And also, this kitchen is very hard for me to arrange. I don't know why, but the cabinets, they are so tight that I cannot even arrange them. Like they're tiny, like they're thin. What I mean by thin, the width is less, yeah. And then they're not long because even the kitchen is small, you understand? So you can't really put in a lot in your cupboard. So that's my problem when it comes to this cabinet. So yeah, it's been really um, hard. It's been hard for me to organize, but I've been doing my best, trying to keep everything, in its designated position, so that at least, when you get into your kitchen, you know where everything is. Because I don't like looking for something and I know I have it, but then I can't see it. It takes me like 20 minutes to look for it. Also, I like a clean kitchen. So this kitchen, believe it or not, it was cleaned the day before. You understand? And this is how it looked the day after. I don't understand how we went from 0 to 100. These plates, as you can see, they're not a lot. These ones are just from the day before, believe it or not. Because in the morning, if you watch my YouTube videos, you know I use a cup with its saucer. Then I use a plate for maybe my bread and whatnot. And then Raymond does the same, a cup and a plate. Also, uh, during that time, you'll use a spoon to, uh, stir your coffee or your tea, and then you'll use a butter knife to butter your bread or whatever you're doing, or to cut your toast. So I don't understand how just utensils just pile up. Like, they just pile up. In this house, we wash utensils all the time, but then they keep on piling up, piling up, piling. Like, it's non-stop. It's non-stop. Like, and also I've realized also when we use a cup or a mug to drink water, we don't use. Sometimes we even forget about that mug, and then we go for another one to drink water. It's like crazy. Like, I don't know if you pass through this in your household, but in our household, I think we need to learn how to just take care of the kitchen and just leave it to breathe and be organized for once. And also, I have a son who doesn't know how to put things inside the sink. The one place he sees is the countertop. I never understand that part. There's the sink, that's the countertop. Put the dirty dishes in the sink, but then you will see the countertop. Can you believe? I have repeated myself over and over again. It's been getting in one ear and getting out in the other ear. But we will still continue doing it, because if you don't tell him, he will repeat it again. So I will still continue telling him until that one day it will sink in. So as you can see, my kitchen is getting there. Everything is, getting, to look good. Also, the tiny cup on my countertop, that is, what do we call it? That is grease that comes from grilling the bacon. So I don't know what to do with it. So I've been putting it in that tiny cup, but then I need to get rid of it. So how do I get rid of it? Do I just like warm it up and then dump it in my dustbin? Because you can't dump it in your kitchen sink, it will clog your kitchen sink. You can't dump it in the toilet. We don't have a place where we can throw dirty water, so that's the problem. So we only get a dustbin paper, and that's it. So yeah, so here this is me putting in Omo detergent, and then putting in a jig for colored things. So I wanted to soak these towels that I used to dry my utensils. They were not looking good, so yeah, I was soaking them. As you can see, everything is looking nice, airy. A small kitchen, what a small kitchen needs is proper lighting, cleanliness, and organization. That is what I want with my kitchen. Like, if it gets to a point where everything is, in a good situation, I'll be a very happy person, to be very honest. Like, I'll have achieved. Look at that face. Let's just agree that I'm very pretty. I'm very pretty. I'm very yes. Yes. So I have done a video right after this one while I was reviewing my Beko cooker, and I didn't know the name of this grill thing, and it's cast iron. It is made of cast iron. And I was trying to figure out while I was making that video, and I forgot the name. So here is me scrubbing the surfaces, and also I need to buy the spray that you buy at a supermarket for cleaning your cookers, so that it stays in order, you know. So that one we'll have to put it in our next shopping list. But other than that, I wanted the cooker to look good, everything to look all tidy for my next use. As you can see, I'm usually very into my cleaning. As you can see, I'm not even concentrating with anything else. Also, just a small fun fact about my gas cooker is that it has a gas leakage detector. Um, so that's why I like it. Yeah, but the one thing that pisses me off with this cooker is that I haven't gotten the hang of switching it on, because when you switch it on and then you let go of the knob, um, sometimes it detects that it might be a mistake if you don't hold it for long, and so it just switches off. So that one, yeah. Also, if you have seen, this cooker came with a tiny piece of grill to hold the small pots. Like, the person who made it was thinking about every scenario. Can you believe that? Oh. Also, because I didn't buy it in a supermarket, I bought it via the Beko people. I got 2-year warranty, but at a supermarket it's 1-year warranty. So I got 2 years warranty. Um, Also free installation and free delivery. So they delivered and they installed. So now it looks like we're done with the cleaning. Everything looks good. The sun is coming in. Oh, my kitchen now has a life in it. Like, it looks pretty good. I was showing you my new mop. That mop is a mop that has a bottle, and you spritz some water and you just clean. So I do deep cleaning in my house for like once or twice a week. It depends with the condition of the house. And then this other time I clean with the mop, with the spritz mop, which has been amazing, to be very honest. Even a 2-year-old can, mop the house for you. Yeah, so you should get it. Also, when I got it at the supermarket, it didn't come with an extra microfiber cloth, so I had to buy an extra one, which was okay. Because when you decide to do something, just do it perfectly. You understand? Yeah, and it looks like we are getting there, because everything looks organized. We have our bottle there of drink. Now I'm gonna show you the whole organized kitchen, clean cooker, clean countertops, clean everything, clean um freezer. Look at it.